Hello everybody. So today we're gonna do contain duplicates on LeetCode right now, and we're just gonna do contain duplicates. So we're gonna read it and let's see what we can think about. Okay, given an integer array nums, return true if any of the values appear twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So okay, so then we have this. So then it's 1, 2, 3, 1, true. Explanation, because 1 will incur at the indices, and the thing is, we're not really supposed to tell you, or we don't have to return which element or which index it does loop again, or it does contain duplicates. So we see here the nums 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is false because there are no distinct elements, and then this one will be true because of this. Okay, so my first thought would be actually looking at this. Sorry. So having a constant array because or a fixed size array, a fixed size static array, because the checking in that will be constant time, and because we don't have to contain the indices, then I don't think there's much point of a hash map. So let's start with adding an array, and then we can loop through the whole loop, and we'll see if the index of or if it's not in the array, then we'll add it to the array. If it is, then we'll return false. And then at the end, if it goes through the whole thing, it'll just return true. Okay, so then let's quickly just write that out so then I don't forget about it. Shoot, how do I write? Okay. No, I swear. Oh, it's like that. Sorry. Actually, there. Okay. So now we have this. Okay. So then let's write this now. Let's think about this. So then we're gonna create a static array. With no elements, and append new elements into the array, as searching the array will be constant time. And the static array will only have to be the size of the length. Our worst case will be the size of the length. If there's no duplicates, then the size of our array will be the size of actually the thing. Okay, and then we'll loop through the vector num, and every new element will insert into the array, but then find if our loop through and check every element in the array. If not, then append current element also into the array. One thing is, we can't use binary search or anything in this because the arrays aren't sorted, and sorting it will be or depending on the size and length, maybe up to n plus space, n plus u complexity, and I think we can just do this with one static array. About okay. No, that's a pretty bad explanation, but let's code it and see if it works. XD array of integers. Okay, so we're let's call it array. Yep. So then we have that, and then let's do our for loop for int I of 0. 0 array, we're gonna do while I is less than static underscore cast of int of std size of num. And that's all. Oh, oopsies, and I forgot one more thing. I++. Okay, first we're gonna check if it's in the array or not. So then, define will be found. So then we'll do a constant auto found. The constant auto found will equal std will equal the array dot find num of I. Oops. Oh. I should have messed up. So then this is gonna return integral, not integral, an iterator type. And then if that iterator type is in that, so then we can do so found if found does not equal the array dot end, the ending of the array. We can't do this. So if we're found something, then we can do return false. Okay, and then if it's not in there, we can just append, not append, but push. Push back stack n num of I. Okay, and then after that we'll return, and then if it has a return false, then we'll return true here. No, I didn't specify the length. The length will just be, actually I can just do this. I'm gonna do const auto, or not auto, const length, const int length, and this will equal this. And then in here we can also type in length. In here we can type in length. Nums. Okay. Length is not a constant expression. Std size and nums. Vector nums. It's a constant. I don't think we can make it a constant expression, can we? Because nums is not a constant expression. The length. I thought we could do size, no? Length must be a constant expression. I mean, it doesn't hurt to make this an unordered map, but like, there's no point. We can just do an array. An array of what? I mean, 10 to the power of nums dot length. Only doing a vector. shoot, wait, I mean, in theory, we could just do a vector, but a vector won't be good for time complexity wise. So then it has to become an integer, an ordered map, an ordered underscore map of int of I don't know how to do array still. An ordered map of array, and then if array dot find num, if array dot end false, return a pushback. We can't do pushback anymore though. We gotta do array of num I will equal I. Oh, whoops. Hey, I still kept it. Nice. Hey, false. Oh, return true. Whoopsies. This would be false. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay. Let's see. So then this works too, but I do wonder what other people do. Solutions? C++. With sorting, set. Oh, a set? Ain't a set the same thing? So the approach, okay, sorting will take a lot of the things, and complexity log n depends on the language you use. If you sort it, sets, here we go, add 1 to the set, 3 easy code. Oh, I could done set instead, unordered set of int instead of unordered map. I'll keep that noted in my other thing, in my notes. Could use unordered set instead of unordered map. But I'm still learning the STL library, so I do not know about that, but thank you. This one call again, contain duplicates. Oops. Contain duplicates.